Once again, in this problem, we are asked to solve this system using elimination. So we know that we need opposite signs and the same number, right, the same value, in order to eliminate one of our variables. And we need our equations in the same form, so we need to check those things. We have two equations in standard form, so that works. But neither of these have the same value but opposite signs. So we need to, again, look at, is there anything that I can multiply either x or y by in one of my equations to get the other number? So if I multiply 3 and 5, they're not multiples of each other, so I can't easily multiply by some number to get that. And neither are -2 and 3. So now we have the decision to make. Do I want to multiply to eliminate my x's or my y's? And I'm going to do my y's just because they're already opposite signs, so I can multiply each equation this time by some number to eliminate the y values. So in order to eliminate these, we want to figure out what's the least common multiple of -2 and 3, and that would be 6. So I want this term to be a -6 and this term to be a +6. So I have to multiply my top equation by 3 to make it 6, and I have to multiply my bottom equation by 2 to make that a 6. So let's go through and do that multiplication. So we're distributing this 3 to everything. 3 times 3x, that's 9x. 3 times a -2y is -6y. And then 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5x, that's 10x. 2 times 3y is +6y. And then 2 times 2, that is 4. So now we're going to go ahead and just add straight down, eliminating the y's. So 9x plus 10x, that's 19x. 15 and 4 is 19. Divide, and we get that x is going to equal 1. So we get that x is 1. So again, we're looking for an ordered pair. So let's go ahead and take 1 and plug it back in. I'm going to plug it into the top equation. So we have 3 times 1 minus 2y equals 5. So that's 3 minus 2y equals 5. Subtracting 3, we get that -2y equals +2. Divide by -2. Divide by -2, and we get that y equals -1. So we have that the solution to our system is going to be 1, -1. So this represents our point of intersection for these two lines.